This is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and here's Kaydyn. This is our first snow of the year. It's December the 9th. And no, look how deep it is. Let me zoom in on Kaydyn. It's snowing so hard out here. Oh no. I don't see the horses. I don't see anything out here. Oh my gosh, it's snowing so hard. Where'd you go, Kaydyn? Oh, there you are. Whoa, look at that. It is wet snow. It is getting on the trees. Yeah, this is a wet snow, but it's still like blowing. I don't know if you can see, but it's blowing too. And it's blowing on my face. Whoa, it's so pretty. Let me get over here. They're going to take the four-wheeler out in a little while and ride. Oops, I accidentally hit the button. They're going to take the four-wheeler out in a little while, and I'll get them riding on the four-wheeler. Kaydyn's over there. Don't eat the snow, baby. Don't eat the snow. Kaydyn's over there under the trampoline. Wow, it's so deep. Which it says 8 to 14 inches. But I really don't think they know how much we're going to get, because it's not supposed to stop until late tonight. I keep hitting the button by accident.
What?
Because I'm so cold. I'm sitting out here, just my shirt on. Wow, look at the snow. Look at the snow in the chair over there.
Where?
Right there.
Whoa.
Whoa, it's blowing right on me. I see it coming right at me. All right, I'm going to get off of here.
What is this?
Oh, my gosh. All right, do that. Do the board and come up here and do it on the porch so people can see you.
What?
I'm taping you. So slide on the porch. You got to move it or it's... All right, that's cool. Say hi, everybody.
Hi.
Look, wave at everybody. Wow, we got some big snow out here. Josh is filling up the four-wheeler so they can go riding the snow. But I wish you could see. It is snowing so hard. Let me see if I can zoom in and catch it. Yeah, there you go. Y'all ought to be able to see how hard it's snowing here. Oh, I smell gas. You filling up your dump truck?
Snow still went up in that water bottle.
Alright, I'll bring you back. This is Journee's first time out in the snow.
She got on Bubby's hand-me-down.
Yep, she's got on Big Brother's footballs thing.
Ready? You ready?
Oh, she don't even go down.
That thing, I'm all white. Kaydyn, you're gonna smack it in her face, baby. You gotta watch out. I'm all white now.
Get off
Kaydyn, you're
again.
gonna
Alright, sit her up. See if she can sit up in it.
Dip her down in the snow.
Yeah, she'll be able, if you put her. Look at Grandma. Look at Grandma, her buried out down in the snow. Look at Kayla, stand so the sun's not in her. Look at Grandma. Pretty girl in the snow. Pretty girl in her football thing. Okay, look at Grandma. This is how deep the snow is right here. This is where the four-wheeler has been. Josh can't get his truck out. I don't know about my car. I haven't even tried it. But it's the second day. It's the day after it snowed, and it's melted a little bit, but not very much. I had to get this.
Journee's first snow.
Look at Grandma, Journee. Look at Grandma. Grandma sees you. Look at that big old smile. Look at that big old smile in the snow. Ah.
Is that sun bright? Sun bright?
Here's my four-wheeler. It's got snow all on the tires. There's Sugar. There's Josh. He wants to ride. They took it over to my daughter Kim's, and him and Kaydyn went over to Kim's and rode Kylie and Camden on it today. So it's snow all over. There's Kaydyn. Look at Grandma. Kaydyn. Look at Grandma. And there they go. It's so deep. Look at it. He can't get his truck out. It's rear-wheel drive. It's not four-wheel drive, and he just can't get it out. He's done tried, and he can't. And there's the dog, Sugar. Oh, and the water just dripped on me from upstairs. Oh, it's cold. Look at Shadow Sugar. What? Did she do it? Look at all the snow underneath. Oh my gosh, it's so deep. Sugar can't keep up now. Journee's just laying in it.
Oh! Watch Sugar and stop! Sugar! Over here.
Look at Grandma.
Journee.
Look at Grandma.
Journee. You want to ride for a quick second?
No.
Okay, look, Journee. Just go ride her around just for a second on the four-wheeler.
Alright, Kaydyn, move, baby.
Well, she's 7 months old. She was 7 months old on the 8th.
It's getting like ice right there now. I got
Tell Kaydyn to stop. Gosh, the sun is so bright. Here's Josh stuck in the snow. Garland Simmons from down at the farm is going to help him get out. My car came right out. It's front wheel drive. Josh is rear wheel drive, and it just will not come out. I went out there and he pushed, and I tried to get it out and rock it, and it just won't. It just stuck right in it. So hopefully this tractor will be able to get it out. Yes, he got him right out. Right out.
That was kind of easier.
Yes, that was really easy.
It was like magic. He was going so slow, and my dad took